Hello learners, welcome back. Today we are going to see the topic past continuous tense. Let's learn when to use and its sentence structure. So see the basic structure, it is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing. So in this tense we will be using the helping verb was or were. Was should be used with singular subject and were should be used with plural subject. Since it is a continuous tense, we need to use the verb in ing form. So see the first situation. It is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. So the action had happened for some time in the past. It means the action would have happened before and after another new action. See the example, you will get my point. When I saw him, he was playing chess. So before I saw, the boy was playing chess, and after I saw, also the boy was playing chess. So it means the new action was when I saw him, and the longer action was he was playing chess. So for the longer action, we'll be using the past continuous tense, and for the new action, we'll be using the simple past tense. So see the next one. The children were doing their homework when she got home. So here also the same thing. Before she entered also, the kids were doing the homework. After she entered also, that action was happening. So for the longer action, we have used the past continuous tense. And see the next one. The other day I was waiting for a bus when you called me. This also the same thing. Then next, it was 8. I was writing a letter. Here a specific time was mentioned. So the action had happened before and after that specific time. Then next one is everyone was shouting. This is actually something had happened in the past for some time. So that's it. Now see the positive structure. It is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing. And for negative structure, as usual, we have to add not after the helping verb. Then for interrogative yes or no type, place the helping verb and then subject, then the main action word. And for WH, question word, WH question word, helping verb, subject, and the main word. You can try by writing few sentences using this structure and practice it. Do subscribe and share about this so that many students would get benefit about it. Thank you.